If you have a logistics performance report and you want to highlight any state hubs where the successful delivery rate is below 30%, try not to do this. Selecting each cell and assigning same rule format using your clipboard. This is laborious, time-consuming, and can lead to a lot of errors if you have a massive list of states. Let me show you another easier and more productive way to do this. Select the entire data area of your quarterly delivery percentages that you want to highlight, then press Ctrl+Q to bring up the Quick Analysis menu. From here, select Top 10%. This will select the top 10 from the highest, but we will do it in reverse. We will edit the rule to catch the low performers. Make sure you are in the Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting, go down to Manage Rules, and double-click the top 10% rule we just made. Change the drop-down from top to bottom, and then change this rule value to 30%. Click OK, and OK again. Now you can instantly see that any state hub with a delivery rate below 30% has been highlighted automatically. That's it.